In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your KCB mobile app if it is not working. So if you're having challenges accessing your mobile app or the app isn't working, then follow these steps to solve all the problems. Now, for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to use Android Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. So the first thing to do is to go to settings and then tap on it to open. And from settings, look for apps. And my apps option is here. Tap on it to open. Then you want to look for the option called manage apps. And then this will open all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now from the list, scroll down and look for KCB. And KCB mobile app is here. Tap on it to open. And we are interested in clearing data for this app under app information. Alternatively, there is another short way of getting there, and that is just going to the app and then long press on the app and then tap on app information. Again, this will take you to app information here. So once you are here, if we tap on storage, you can see we have a lot of cache data. One of the reasons why your KCB mobile app is misbehaving is because of cache data. When you talk of cache, we are talking of files that are stored on your app when you interact with it to enhance the smooth running of your app. However, accumulation of these files may lead to your app to misbehave. So you want to go ahead and clear this cache, and to do so, just tap on clear data here, and then we have an option to clear cache. Go ahead and tap on OK, and then you'll see your cache will be cleared. Now you want to go ahead and restart your smartphone from here, and once you restart your smartphone, your app should be working okay. However, if that did not solve your problem, then you may want to take another step, and that is to look for any update if it is available in Play Store. So to do that, just scroll down and look for Play Store, and my Play Store is here. Tap on it to open. Then look for KCB app, and here's the app. If I tap on it, it will open. Then look for any update if it is available. Currently, my app is up to date. That's why we don't have any update available. But for your case, should you have any update, it will be indicated here. Just go ahead and update it. But should that fail to solve the problem, then you may want to go ahead and uninstall your app and then come back and install it afresh through Play Store. Once you install it afresh, you'll have to log in again with your credentials, and the app should work just well. But should you still find a problem, then you may want to contact KCB to find out if there is any problem on their side. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.